Hi, my name is Guan Vu. This is my driver license. Okay, so is anyone here having a plan to become a single parent in the future? I think most people will say no, and me too. However, our lives is unpredictable as well as my life. Being a single parent, my mom raised me by herself since I was six. From my experience and knowledge, I will discuss about the effect of single parenting on children. Firstly, children of single parent family usually lack attention and caring from their parent. So, what's the main reason? Uh, in my opinion, due to overwork to support the whole family, um, spending time with your kids or being with them when they need you seem to seem to be really difficult. It's harder to guide them to the right direction when you don't have enough time to encourage or give them some useful advices when they need them. Secondly, they have lower chance to get scholarship or receive a good education, which is very important for their future life. And I think this is related to financial issues. Single parent family has less disposable income to invest in their education. Government is running many programs to support students, but getting a good education is not easy for single parent because education requires so many expensive materials such as books or technology. On the other hand, single parent family has less likely to be involved in extracurricular activities. Um, Children sometimes are too young to sign up for those activities by themselves, right? However, children with single parenting tend to have more freedom to become independent than the other. Mm, Apparently, they often spend more time with their friends or themselves than with family. So, the independence that comes too early than usual has its own advantages and disadvantages. The positive side is your children can start to learn how to help you in their capability. Even though the stuff they can do seems to be really small, that's still a good way to create many good manners in the future. When they become more mature, they will know how important sharing and caring are. They even spend time to talk and help you to overcome your life problems as a trusted friend. On the other scenario, the independence without any mature advice can lead them to wrong choices. That could be dropping out school or even involving in crimes. Being too independent, they can be affected negatively by hanging out with bad people. For example, the force of or demand from other people make the children tend to do some things without consideration. Most of the effects from single parent family are negative than positive. So I can say the children who grow up with single parent will have a more difficult life comparing to the others. However, the characteristic of the situation give them a strong sense of community and they have more chance to become more mature. Having a family is one of the happiest things in the world that we can grow up and also shows how lucky we are. So, in my opinion, I think it's already really hard to become a good parent, and it's even harder to raise your kid as a single parent when there's so many challenges that's so hard to avoid. In my opinion, in every kind of family, finding a balance between work life and family member is necessary to create opportunity for your kids to develop themselves fully. Thank you for listening.